see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there.
For purple mountains' majesty above the fruited plain, America, America, God shed His grace on me and crown my good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea.
David McCarthy from Waterford in Ireland. Oh yes. Very nice win indeed. Hannah Davidson, who's dating David McCarthy, who won the men's race, said they're going to do the double. Hannah Davidson, a graduate of Saratoga Springs High School, now attending Providence.
Well, they got a great day first, you know, it's nice, it's not too humid, but it's just kind of nice to be back, you know. This is going to be my first summer back since probably my freshman year. I usually go to Ireland, so it's nice to be back. They get a good atmosphere around just before the parade, you know, but the bonus was the win, so it was good. You get people out around the course, they come out from their houses, it's great.
My first Independence Day, so yeah, I'm only used to it from the movie, but no, it's great. The crowd is great. It's hard for me to understand, and I know you appreciate seeing so many people come out for the celebration of it, but it was great. There was a good group of guys running there, and we had fun running around. You know, it's a tough race at the same time you're racing, and you know the crowd, people out around the course, you got people sitting outside their houses cheering you on, and you know you got that hill up at the end. But the sport is great, and the atmosphere makes it just so much fun.